Learn incredible card magic. The Royal Road to Card Magic by John Hugard is the best book for beginners. Easy to learn and understand explanations of false shuffles, flourishes, the glide, the glimpse, false shuffles and cuts, the pass, the classic force, and many other techniques. The book is a classic and teaches card magic progressively by not only teaching each card slates, but also provides great card magic routines with each card slates. Preface. The overhand shuffle, the riffle shuffle, flourishes, the glide, the glimpse, the key card, the palm, the backslip, the overhand shuffle 2, false shuffles and cuts, the double lift and turnover, the pass, miscellaneous flourishes, the reverses, the Hindu shuffle and other controls, the classic force, top and bottom changes, arrangements, routines, platform tricks. Click the link below now to get the Royal Road to Card Magic book.